Today, we're going to be letting you in on a few of our favourite jewellery hacks here at Hoskings you didn't know you needed. If you're an avid jewellery wearer, we promise that once you give these hacks a shot, you'll never want to go back. If you're having trouble fastening on your bracelet, try this bobby pin trick. It's an oldie but a goodie and one we always resort to, especially in the case of long nails or if you don't have an extra pair of hands. You're going to go ahead and thread your bobby pin on your desired clasp. Then you're going to grab hold like so, spin it around, and fasten your bracelet. There you have it. Anyone who loves their stud earrings knows that one of the most frustrating things is losing the back of an earring. So to avoid risking a precious earring from falling out or having to resort to another earring's backing, we love to have these Lux earrings backs ready on hand. Lux provides a comfortable, hypoallergenic and easy to use backing that comes in 3 different colour options to match your jewellery: silver, yellow gold and rose gold. They fit nice and easy into your purse or your jewellery box, ready to go. Ordering jewellery online, especially rings, can be a bit of a shot in the dark with sizes. To avoid the mucking around of having to guess and possibly exchanging sizes, get the perfect ring the first time round with Ring Sizer. Multi-Sizer is our choice of ring sizer here at Hoskings. It's so simple and easy to use. All you have to do is line up the circumference of your chosen finger and your measurements will be revealed. Make sure to remember that you measure over your knuckle so the ring has room to go over it, as well as considering that your dominant hand will be slightly larger. I think everyone can collectively agree that there is nothing more truly frustrating than having to untangle a necklace. Fear not, because we know a few ways that may be able to help alleviate your stress and get you out of your tangled situations. First, you'll want to start by taking a breather. Then you'll want to go ahead and set up your tangled necklace on a flat surface in well-lit lighting to see what you're working with. We suggest unclasping the necklace if you can do so and spread it out as much as possible. You may have a few knots. Start with the ones that look the easiest. Our biggest word of advice is do not pull on the knot. It might make it worse than it already is, or even go as far as breaking, which we definitely don't want. If you have longer nails or you can't seem to get a hold of the knot with your fingers, a needle, sewing pin or bobby pin might be the answer. This can allow you to insert the pin directly into the center of the knot and wiggle it around until it loosens. However, if you still can't manage to get your knot undone, don't fret, head down to your nearest Hoskings store and let our experts fix it for you as good as new. The best way to maintain your gold pieces and avoid having to spend money on getting them professionally cleaned later down the track is by regularly using the bowl soak hack. No fancy products needed for this one, don't you worry. To a bowl of warm water, add a few drops of liquid dish soap, give it a swish around and throw your jewellery in. Then you're going to let it soak for 15 minutes. Walk away, make a coffee or tea, come back when you're ready. If you have specific ornate details in your gold jewellery, you can use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently scrub the crevices and get rid of any stubborn dirt. Be careful not to scrub too hard, you might scratch your precious gold. Finally, give your jewellery one last rinse before letting air dry. We hope you learned a thing or two today from us with our tips and tricks, all meant to make your life that little bit easier. See our blogs for more details for some of our hacks featured in today's video.